In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows could not start the WLAN AutoConfig service on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager under the best match. Now, once Device Manager window is opened, you have to simply locate network adapters and then click on your network adapter. Make a right click, select Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here, simply choose the latest version, or you can try one by one and then click on the next button. After clicking the next button, Windows will successfully update your drivers. After updating, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here in this block window, we have to simply type these commands. First command is ipconfig space / flush DNS, hit enter. Then type NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter. Then restart your Windows once. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.